Brazil's Supreme Court in Brasilia began casting decisive votes Tuesday in the trial of former President Jair Bolsonaro, accused of plotting to overturn his 2022 election defeat. Jane Cognita for the details.
Media converged on the capital as tight security surrounded the court, with barriers and drones deployed ahead of the high-profile session. Bolsonaro's lawyer, Celso Velarde, arrived alongside other defense counsels and lawmakers as proceedings opened. The trial, now in its final stage, could see Bolsonaro sentenced to up to 40 years in prison. Prosecutors accuse him of orchestrating a coup attempt, inciting the January 2023 riots that saw government buildings stormed, and leading a criminal organization bent on dismantling Brazil's democracy. On Tuesday, Justices Alexandre de Moraes and Flavio Dino voted to convict Bolsonaro on all charges, bringing the five-member panel just one vote shy of a majority ruling. Moraes, who saw the 2022 election and was allegedly targeted in the coup plot, branded the former leader the head of the criminal organization. The charges were bolstered by federal police findings of alleged plans to poison President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva and his running mate during the turbulent power transition. Bolsonaro, who denies wrongdoing, watched the session from his home in Brasilia, where he has been under house arrest since last month. His allies have pressed Congress for an amnesty bill in a bid to spare him prison time. The verdict carries major political stakes. Already barred from holding office until 2030 for undermining Brazil's voting system, a conviction could further dash Bolsonaro's hopes of staging a political comeback against Lula in next year's election. Meanwhile, tensions have spilled over internationally. U.S. President Donald Trump accused Brasilia of persecuting Bolsonaro and imposed steep tariffs on Brazilian goods in response, prompting sharp condemnation from Brazil's government as unlawful interference in domestic affairs. This has been Jane Cognita, your citizen correspondent, reporting for Newsline World.